how to change Courier in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change Courier in Shopee. Start by launching the Shopee app on your mobile device. Tap on Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, you will get to see an option that says Change under Shipping Information. So select Change. You will see a list of available shipping channels. So now, what you need to do is just choose the one you prefer. You can go through all the options and select one. Finally, you just need to tap on Confirm in order to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Courier for your Shopee order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.